guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make simple shapes on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to create a heart shape first. So get your rectangle tool out. Make a square and rotate it 45 degrees. Select the direct selection tool and you're just going to press shift on your keyboard to select both of these kind of angles, and you're just going to drag it out, but not too much, maybe like this small. And then you're going to copy and paste that, and you're going to rotate it. Oops. And you're going to rotate it, like so, and you're going to add it on top of this one. Then you're going to copy and paste this again, but you're going to make this short. And then after that, you're going to use the direct selection tool and round these out. And there's your heart. I'm just going to select all, and I'm going to go to Window and open Pathfinder actually, and see if I can unite them. So where is it? I think it's this one. Okay. And then here is your heart shape. Done. Now I'm going to create this easy star shape. It's basically just the star tool, but the edges are rounded. Just select it and go to direct selection tool and round out the edges, but not too much, like so. Then I'm going to create the moon shape by going to the ellipse tool by selecting it, And I need another one in another color. And I'm just going to kind of position it over the moon and see the positioning of it like this. Select both. Go to Pathfinder again. And then select minus front. Now we have 3 shapes. We're going to add 2 more. So go to the polygon tool and make sure your shape is a hexagon. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and then Pucker and Bloat. And you're just going to slide it to the right to create a flower shape, like so. And then press OK. And you can even add in like a circle in the middle if you want for the middle of the flower. I forgot what it's called. I'm so sorry. Like so. And then you have one more. Just select the ellipse tool and create a circle or an oval. And then I'm going to go to Effect, again, Distort and Transform, and Pucker and Bloat. And you're going to go to the left instead for the star shape. I'm just going to adjust it like so, and then copy and paste that. I'm just going to make this one smaller right here. And there you have your shapes. You can even make like a combo with the moon and the star, or use the star instead. Kind of looks like a Toy Story ball if I add like a line here, doesn't it, or something? I don't know. Like a Pixar ball, But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!